Hey, I'm Fish. I'm out here today with You Got It, the Insta family, and the DJI. Sun just disappeared again. Not a nice day, but there is my cameras. And I am going to take some time to get some shots. As you see, I got a backpack on with my DJI in the back. I feel like turning around, going home, and go hibernate for another month. New speed camera. Unbelievable. They just pop up out of nowhere. I got two mics on and I'm not using any. It's all internal audio. The other mic is right here. So yeah, I'm enjoying the Ace Pro 2. And the thing I just don't get, Pure Video and Pure Video Plus. I'm not sure when Pure Video Plus goes on with Pure Video. I'm getting down to where I need to be at, by the water. I gotta walk down just a little further. Come where it's nice and quiet. Setting up where I need to be at. So it's gonna take me some time. And I got a number of items that I need to set over here. So let's get the DJI Osmo Action 5 camera out. That'll do the job for me in my review. This is the Insta360 X4 and a pole. If it had like a locking system or a little harder than this rotation, but I'm going to get a shot, go out like this by the water. I only got two hands, so I'm not sure how I'm going to go about it. I haven't had a chance to really get out with the Insta360 X4, and the past couple of days just wasn't nice. But I was able to try to get a shot over the water. I forgot I could have dumped the camera, get underneath. And I now know and learn to take off these lens protectors. They're just not the best in the world. Insta360 knows it's a marketing scheme to make a lot of money, as well as others. They also protect your camera. Well, you know what? Maybe one day somebody will come out with, You Got It, a actual screw-on, screw-off lens that's actually on the camera, the same one. Otherwise than that, I do my best to protect. And like I said, I just wish I could have stopped this turning. I don't love it turning. Maybe put a pin in it or something. I gotta get on out of here, finish up my review. Gotta get things done. I gotta find a puddle on my way out of here. Clean my sneakers and clean my bike wheels. I got the shots I need. Maybe I'll come back out later. Oh man, what am I catching on in the back that holds my helmet in my head like so? I don't know. It's the backpack, man. It's just catching the back of that bar. All this wind, I think I'm on stereo mode. I apologize. Insta, please show us that we can brighten up the grayed out thing of audio. To me, I can't see it. It's annoying. I want to see in the color, brightness on the dark. Oh, I got glasses on. Yeah, that's the reason. Not at all. Stop recording. I'm going home. I'm hibernating. I'm done. When it's 90 degrees outside, I'm coming out. Right now, the temperature just got cold out of nowhere. Stop recording. Stop recording. A one wheel. I never got into it. But yeah, let's get going. Taking a shortcut. Maybe the wind will stop kicking me. I'm in gear 3. I'm pedaling. I'm okay. Now the wind's kicking me this way. You heard the pooch. He's telling you. Use the DJI. Oh, I will. It's the on-and-go camera. I gotta stop and check my messages because my phone's vibrating in my pocket. At least I know the camera hears me. It's beginning and ending. I could have did it over here. I could have went down to the slip. I just cleaned my tires. Now I'm getting all messy again. Thank you. Gentleman closed his door as I was coming. I thanked him. I had plenty of room to get by. I could squeeze by still. Whew. I'm almost home. Stop. You could avoid that camera, just turn down that street I went on. That camera will go soon. It won't last that long. Well, this is a monocular camera. Is it? Single lens? Leica lens? A good lens. Indeed. Well, I'm happy I got out, got my shot, got my review going and polishing it up. Maybe you'll enjoy it when you see it. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I see you on the next Insta Family Adventure. Later. I'm shooting not in 16:9 or 4:3, but testing out to see if my editor can do that extra resolution, aspect ratio that is. So I got my pizza. It's heavy. Off we go. Go get another one another time. Let's go enjoy.